Stop, Ray Ray.
Want a photobomb. Oh, look, horse. Oh, look. Mom, look. Mom. Mom.
Rachel, stop.
You see, Mom?
Why don't you go climb with them?
All right.
They're going to go see how far they can make it.
I don't know if I can.
Oh, you gotta get up, man. It's so wet.
Paul Edward. Daddy's already chickening out.
No, I'm not. It's just I don't want to fall down.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty steep, actually.
Yeah. I don't know if I can make this.
The problem is how do you get down?
I hope so, but I can't.
Crap. I gotta find like.
Help. Need help. Need help over here.
Rach, don't even bother.
I don't
Holy.
know if I should chicken out right
Yo,
now.
how are you gonna make this? Yo, Paul's made it farther. No, go to the top.
I can't.
Paul's making it up.
This is
No, John's just going for it.
Paul, no, get up, Paul. You're going to get too dirty.
Are you videoing this? Oh, jeez.
Okay, so we just got to Crystal Cave in the parking lot. And, yeah, they decided they're going to try to climb this very steep hill, which is a semi-mountain.
Jeez, look so, when I found something else. Remember the thing that we found in Hershey Farms Inn? At Hershey Farms Inn?
Careful, Paul. You're going to get...
Mom, can you turn the video over here? I got found something that you might like.
I just gotta go higher than Dave.
John, you're up there. These scaredy cats are just not okay.
All right, Paul, honey, you're going to get way too... You're getting filthy.
Check it out right now.
Paul, no, stand up. Oh, he's getting filthy. Whoops, sorry about that.
Okay, I'm going down.
Jeez, okay, I'm going to try one more time.
Oh, and everybody's getting filthy.
Easily.
Coming back up.
No, Polly, come here. Oh, I just washed that jacket.
No.
Well, that's what the washer is for, I guess.
No, don't do that.
Hey, Mom, I found something that you would like.
We didn't go into the cave yet.
We're going into the middle of the forest. We're going to get dirty anyway.
All right.
Busy climbing up my wall.
Mom, can you turn the video over here? I found something. Mom?
No, it's not. I'm making it
I might
higher than
staff
Dave
of wisdom.
Maybe.
Mom, I found something with me. Mom? Into the cave.
No, you can't bring that into the cave.
Oh.
Yeah, try to make it down. Run down.
Yeah, that's how I got down. Mom?
I didn't go down that way.
Oh, I found something. What? Okay, you will like.
Come on, Dan.
I want to go down that way. Dang it.
Just go.
Ah!
Mom, turn the video over
Get off
here.
your butt.
Mom,
Did you have fun?
I had lots of fun.
Did you have fun, Dave?
Sure.
I didn't want it to chicken
Yeah,
out.
you're all filthy.
Ow!
I'm
My
not.
butt.
I found something.
Yo, Paul made it hot.